About another school and how its students' commitment to Mother Nature is paying off through a partnership with a Canadian eco company.
Can I have those drink pouches, please?
Hamilton's Eastmount Park Grade 1 student Kayla and her twin sister Jenna are on a mission, collecting used juice pouches and cookie wrappers that are set aside by their fellow students each day. Instead of heading to the landfill, the waste will now be sent to Canadian eco-civic company TerraCycle.
Recycling is great. I mean, you should put things in your blue box, but for all those other things, you can TerraCycle it. So what we would do is we'll obviously wash and clean that.
Right.
Okay? And then we'll sew it into usable items like that. We call that upcycling.
Upcycling, you're saying you're going to value every aspect of the waste, its shape, its color, and so you get a product like this, right? Where you're treating every aspect of the waste as value.
It remains intact.
Yes. Exactly.
Now, for each juice box and cookie wrapper recycled, the school will receive 2 cents to use as they see fit. They will now put the money they receive to good use. The students are also excited when it comes to recycling.
Where we partner with companies like Kraft. Kraft actually brought us to Canada, brought the Brigades program to Canada.
Okay.
They sponsor it, and they really are taking responsibility for their packaging now. By also sponsoring and giving that donation to those schools for each pouch that actually is collected.
With Kraft, it was coming up with a great idea to solve for their packaging. Consumers are really asking for green. And that's great because the more consumers are the ultimate power, right? If consumers say, I want more green things, then big companies like Kraft are going to react and are going to provide green things.
And then for all the things that really, for example, we couldn't sew this one because it's ripped. TerraCycle doesn't throw anything away. We come up with really cool, unique ideas how to reuse waste. And that's actually a paver, and that's made 100% from juice pouches.
This is actually 100% juice pouches. What we do is we take this and granulate it into like a pellet, if you will, and then mold it into, this is a paving stone. We can even make, like the bench we're sitting on is made from recycled plastic. Now this is not a TerraCycle bench, but it could be made out of drink pouches and it would look just the same. This only uses 20 drink pouches, while this uses 200. And so you have to have a balance of recycling and upcycling to really be able to move through the tremendous amount of garbage that we collect.
Because this is good for the environment, and it says I am made with recycled drink pouches, and it's got a kind of fun pop art look to it.
If you buy a box of Del Monte, you'll now start seeing on all, like millions and millions of boxes, this message, which talks about how your drink pouch is no longer garbage anymore. You can also collect granola wrappers through TerraCycle, like a granola wrapper, cookie bag.
Yes, there's cookies, crackers, Christy.
Yeah, that's right. These are the 3 waste streams we collect today. But in all of these cases, these are non-recyclable.
So you really are a garbage mogul.
We try to be. That's right. That's right.